Hi everybody, it's John Dillingham here, LA Harley. Just want to go over, we've been COVID-19 buckled down, and during the COVID-19 time, we've got some engine kits in from Harley Davidson. We ordered 10 131 kits. This is one of the first ones we got out of our kits we're putting together for a customer. This is going to be a street legal, under warranty 131 kit. This bike here is getting the full Mac Daddy. We're going outside. This is a non-warranty engine. We're going to have a big horsepower engine here. We're just waiting for the cylinders coming from Harley Davidson. They're shipping stuff now, and this is 2 of our 5 or 6 builds that we got going on. But I just want to let you know that we do have 9 131 kits setting up parts ready to go. So if you have a Harley Davidson Milwaukee 8 and you want to make it go, we've got street legal, OEM, warrantyable motors setting out there, and it's a wonderful package. It really peps these things up. So anyway, give us a call and we can kind of go over the details, and we can build you a monster or a fully warranty 131 hot rod. Anyway, have a great day.
Thank you!